Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do my nails at home. I find that they're a great alternative to nails from the nail salon, especially if you'd like to save a bit of money or you'd like to try them yourself at home. So the brand I'm using is OXX Cosmetics from Kmart. They only cost about $4 per pack and you get a pack of 24 nails. They also come in a great range of colours. You can see that this one's metallic. The ones I'll be using today are pink. Each pack comes with its own glue, and I find that it's pretty good despite the cost. So if you have a brand that you prefer using, feel free to use that, but generally I find that this is already sufficient for my needs. These nails come in a range of different sizes, so I like to try them on to see which ones fit without needing too much trimming or filing. Before I start, I like to push back my cuticle with an orange stick. I find that it leaves a nicer looking cuticle and it also leaves a straighter line at the base of my nail. Using the roughest side of your file, give the surface of your nail a quick rough up so the glue has something to stick to. Before you start putting on your nails, make sure to double check how much you need to take off the sides so that it sits flush with the edges of your nail. You can mark it out, but generally I just eyeball it, and if I happen to cut off a little bit too much, well, that's okay. No one really notices anyway. Some of my nail beds are more curved than the others, so sometimes what I have to do is cut down or file the bottom of the nail so it matches the curvature. I like to round off the corners for a squoval look. When you're finished with filing, spray a tissue with some rubbing alcohol or acetone and give your nails a quick wipe down. So this helps remove all the dust so your glue has something better to stick to. I like to wipe down the back of the nails as well for the same reason. So now we are finally at the fun part. I like to start off with a dab of glue at the bottom of the nail and just slowly spread it around with the nozzle. So this helps me make sure I have a thin, even layer of glue across the entire nail and I'm not using too much at once. Place the nail gently on top of the glue and press down for about 30 seconds until it's set. If you find some glue coming out of the sides, just wipe it off with a tissue. I'm right-handed, so I like to do the nails on my dominant hand first because it's much easier to do when I don't have nails on my left hand yet. Now comes the other fun part of pulling off the tabs. They're looking pretty good so far, but some of them are a bit longer than they should be, so I'm going to cut them off with a tip cutter. So if you don't know what this device is a tip cutter. It basically makes cutting off your tips a little bit easier than using scissors. And I got it off eBay for about $3, so it's a really handy tool to have. So when you're happy with the length, go back and file and trim the edges so it's in the shape that you want. And that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you'll be giving these nails a go. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. Thanks for watching!